The Lion and the Elephant. In a deep, dense jungle, there lived a lion. He was known for his great power. Undoubtedly, he was strong and had mighty claws and teeth. But he had one big problem. He was terrified by the talking of the rooster. Can life be worth living if the creature is mighty as me? Get afraid of such a small creature like a rooster. The lion cried bitterly. Just as he was in his sad stage, he spied an elephant. The elephant was huge and scary, and he was flapping his large ears quickly to and fro in the great concern. What troubles you, my friend? Can anything have the power to harm a beast of your size, bulk, and strength? Oh, yes, you will be shocked. Do you see that black buzzing knot? If he wishes to sting inside my ear, I will go mad in pain. The lion, after hearing the elephant, took a promise to himself. He decided not to let troubles come in his way. Also, the lion understood that even the strongest creatures have some weak points. He built up his self-confidence once again. After all, he had much to think of. He was the king of all the beasts.